Yes, dear students, now the examples on regular Falsy method. See, find the real root of the equation x log to the base 10 x is equal to 1.2. I, regular Falsy method, carry out the 4 decimal places. See here, the log to the base 10. Log to the base 10. This is a main. In a calci, we have to take the log term. Log is having the base 10 and ln is having the base e. Remember, in a calci, you have to consider the log term to calculate the iterations. Remember, here also the same. You have to substitute first 0, 1, 2, 3 and you have to get the real root. Less than, exactly next of that, greater than term. That two roots are your real roots. After getting that roots, which one is nearer to 0? You have to check it. The roots will get here as a 2 and 3. The same roots you will get here 2 and 3. 2 is nearer to 0 or 3 is nearer to 0. You have to check. Okay. After checking that, if 3 is nearer to 0, don't take 3.1, 3.2. You have to consider the exact root middle of 2 and 3. That you have to keep it in your mind. Exact root we have to find, that values must be in between of the real roots only. Okay, that the f of 3 value is nearer to 0 means the value of exact roots are started from 2.5, 2.6, 2.7 up to 2.9. That is a indication I am telling. Okay, if that f of 3 is neighborhood of the 0, then you have to consider the middle of that 2 and 3 values are 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9. In between you have to get less than and greater than values. Okay, by using that roots you have to take first iteration, second iteration, 3 iteration. And one more thing, carry out the 4 decimal places. Means if you got that answer in terms of 0.595093 like this, after the decimal point you should have to write the 4 digits compulsory. 4 digits must be same from the previous iteration and the present iteration. Minimum of 3 iterations you have to do compulsory. Remember. Okay, the third example. Use the regular Falsy method to obtain the root of the equation 2x minus log x to the base 10 is equal to 7, which lies between 3.5 and 4. Here already they mentioned 3.5 and 4. When they will mention the roots, not necessary to find the real roots and exact roots. Directly you can take this is a and this is a b. These values will get exactly less than and greater than terms. Understood? This also they told to carry out the 2 iteration. If they mention to find the 2 iteration, you have to do the 2 iteration. Otherwise, you must have to solve 3 iteration. Okay, fine. Next, fourth example is find the real root of the equation. Cos x is equal to 3x minus 1. Correct to 3 decimal places. Here, cos x is equal to 3x minus 1. Cos x is equal to 3x minus 1. These all are the in terms of x. Okay, not necessary to take the calci in a other mode. Now, when a trigonometric terms will come, you should have to take a calci in a degree to radian mode compulsory. Remember in your mind, when a trigonometric terms comes in your equation, you should have to change your calci in a degree mode to radian mode. See how to find a degree mode. In your calci, mode option is there, that you have to press 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Here they will ask degree 1, radian 2, grade 3. In a radian we want to press 2 and you will get here radian option in a small box. Understood? Yes, the radian mode you will get, then only you have to solve the fourth problem. Otherwise you will get all the problem will get wrong. Again, after finishing this example, you have to solve another one. Again, you have to change the mode compulsory. Again, you have to take that in a degree mode. Then you have to solve remaining problems. Only trigonometric terms will come. That time only you have to take the calculator in a radian mode compulsory. Okay. Thank you.